So this is just a quick video to talk about the exam that you're going to be taking this week. So it just covers chapters 1 to 5. So to prepare, the best thing to do is to review your lectures, go back through the textbook, read the supplemental reading, which was on teacher attributions. So the test will open on Monday at 8 and close Sunday on the 13th. You have 90 minutes to take it, so make sure you begin it at least an hour and a half before it closes, because at 11:59 it'll shut off. And also, the earlier you take it, the better you can get help or feedback, because once again, I'll check email once over the weekend, so I may not have an opportunity to check it on Sunday. So if you, it would be best to plan to take it at least, Friday evening, so that if you do have problems, I can help. But hopefully you'll have good internet connections and that and be able to go through it. So it is a combination of multiple choice and short answer. You'll have 32 multiple choice questions and 3 short answer questions. The concepts are more applied. So I've got a couple of examples here for you, but it's similar to the PPR that you'll take after your foundational courses in education. So don't just review the definitions. Also, you should review all of the examples, both from the book and from the lectures, as well as assignments that we've done in class. So these are just some tips from previous students. I asked students who did well on the exam what worked for them, some things that they did that helped them to do well. So I would suggest just kind of reading through these things. Hopefully it will give you some suggestions about what you can do. So here are, I've got a couple of sample questions. So if you'll go ahead and pause the video, you can read this. So the answer is A, and so approximately 80 of the students are planning to go to college. So a descriptive study, once again, is one that just describes information. It doesn't compare things. It doesn't try to manipulate variables. A descriptive study just provides information. So this second one is correlational. This one could be drawn from an experiment, perhaps. And then this one is going to be correlational. So if you're talking about descriptive, then this is a good example. So the second question, again, if you'll pause the video, the answer is A. So when we're talking about self-regulation, again, that's when you are monitoring your learning, going back through and adjusting, making plans for the future, trying to stay on track. So when you're just reading an assigned textbook chapter, that's not something that's necessarily self-regulating. If you are taking notes and asking questions, writing in the margins, something like that would be more self-regulatory. So these are the types of questions that you'll be seeing on the exam. So just, again, be sure that you do more than just memorize the definition, but you can actually apply it. And you can go back through your activities and assignments that we did in this class, and that'll help you to have a few more examples. So for extra credit, I created a Flipgrid for review. I posted various concepts from these first 5 chapters that are going to be covered on the exam. So what I would like for you to do is pick one of those topics. It could be something that you, did over your theory, or something else that you felt like you understood well, and go ahead and explain it. And then be sure that you post some replies to classmates. You can ask further questions, or you can, add some additional information. If you have questions about concepts, go ahead and post them in the Flipgrid as well. To get extra credit, you need to post something you know about and then reply to classmates. But if you do have questions, then this will be a good place to post it, and I can answer them there on the video.